Have you ever walked into a room that instantly felt calm, luxurious, and alive? The secret isn't always expensive furniture or designer decor. It could be the plants. The right houseplants can completely transform a dull space into a stylish sanctuary, while also improving air quality and boosting your mood. From dramatic tropical leaves to elegant flowering beauties, these plants make any room look professionally decorated with very little effort. Whether you have a bright living room, a cozy bedroom, or a tiny apartment, there's a perfect plant waiting to elevate your home. Stay until the end, because the final plant is so stunning that interior designers use it to create magazine-worthy spaces. Let's discover 12 beautiful plants that instantly upgrade any room. 1. Monstera Deliciosa. The Monstera Deliciosa is one of the most recognizable indoor plants in the world. Its large, glossy leaves with natural splits create an instant tropical vibe that makes any room feel luxurious. A young Monstera looks beautiful on a tabletop, while a mature plant becomes a dramatic statement piece in your living room. It thrives in bright, indirect light and prefers watering only when the top inch of soil dries out. Besides its striking appearance, Monstera grows relatively fast, rewarding you with larger leaves over time. Pair it with a woven basket or modern ceramic planter to create an elegant designer look. If you want guests to notice your decor immediately, a healthy Monstera is one of the easiest ways to make your home feel sophisticated and welcoming. 2. Fiddle Leaf Fig. Few plants create the same visual impact as the Fiddle Leaf Fig. Its oversized violin-shaped leaves give any room a clean, modern appearance that's popular in luxury homes and interior design magazines. Place one near a bright window where it can receive filtered sunlight. Rotate the pot every few weeks to encourage even growth. Although it has a reputation for being picky, consistent care keeps it thriving. The tall trunk and broad foliage naturally draw attention upward, making ceilings appear higher and rooms feel larger. A mature fiddle leaf fig can become the centerpiece of your home, bringing both elegance and warmth to minimalist or contemporary interiors. 3. Bird of Paradise. If you dream of a tropical resort at home, the Bird of Paradise is the perfect choice. Its enormous, paddle-shaped leaves instantly create a bold, exotic atmosphere. Given enough sunlight, mature plants may even produce spectacular orange and blue flowers that resemble colorful birds in flight. Bird of Paradise loves bright light and regular watering during active growth. Position it in a spacious corner where its dramatic foliage has room to spread. Its architectural shape adds movement and texture, making living rooms, sunrooms, and home offices feel vibrant and full of life. This is a plant that effortlessly commands attention. 4. Peace Lily. The peace lily combines timeless beauty with practical benefits. Its dark green leaves contrast beautifully with elegant white blooms that seem to glow indoors. Beyond its appearance, this plant is admired for helping improve indoor air quality. Peace lilies tolerate lower light conditions, making them ideal for bedrooms, bathrooms, or offices where sunlight is limited. Water whenever the leaves begin to droop slightly, and it quickly bounces back. Their graceful form complements almost every decorating style, from traditional to modern. Few plants deliver such a refined appearance while remaining easy enough for beginners to maintain. 5. Rubber plant. The rubber plant features thick, glossy leaves that instantly add richness and depth to any room. Available in deep green or colorful burgundy varieties, it fits beautifully into modern interiors. Rubber plants grow upright with minimal maintenance, making them perfect for filling empty corners. They enjoy bright, indirect light and moderate watering. Dusting the leaves occasionally keeps their natural shine looking spectacular. As the plant matures, its sturdy trunk and dense foliage create the appearance of a small indoor tree, adding elegance and structure without overwhelming your space. 6. Calathea. Calatheas are admired for their breathtaking leaf patterns. Each variety features unique combinations of green, silver, pink, or purple markings that resemble living artwork. During the evening, many Calatheas gently fold their leaves upward, earning them the nickname prayer plants. They thrive in medium, indirect light with consistently moist soil and higher humidity. These colorful leaves instantly brighten shelves, coffee tables, or bedroom corners. Because their beauty comes entirely from foliage, they remain attractive throughout the year. If you're looking for a decorative plant that feels artistic and sophisticated, Calathea is an excellent addition. 7. Snake plant. The snake plant proves that simplicity can be incredibly stylish. Its tall, sword-like leaves create strong vertical lines that suit modern, Scandinavian, and minimalist interiors. One of the easiest houseplants to grow, it tolerates neglect, low light, and irregular watering. Snake plants are also known for releasing oxygen at night, making them popular bedroom companions, whether displayed alone or grouped with other plants. Their clean shape adds balance and elegance. Their architectural form blends beautifully with neutral decor and contemporary furniture while requiring almost no maintenance. 8. ZZ plant. The ZZ plant is perfect for anyone who wants luxurious greenery without constant care. Its shiny emerald leaves naturally reflect light, giving the plant an almost polished appearance. ZZ plants tolerate low light, drought, and occasional neglect, making them ideal for busy households. Their upright stems create a clean, organized look that works beautifully in offices, bedrooms, and living rooms. Because they grow slowly, they maintain a tidy shape with little pruning. Pair a ZZ plant with a sleek white or black planter for an instantly modern and expensive-looking display. 9. Areca palm. The Areca palm brings softness and movement into indoor spaces. Its feathery fronds create a relaxed tropical feeling while adding height and texture to empty corners. Unlike bulky furniture, the airy leaves make rooms feel larger rather than crowded. Areca palms enjoy bright, filtered light and evenly moist soil. They naturally humidify indoor air through transpiration, creating a fresher atmosphere. Their graceful appearance works beautifully in living rooms, reading nooks, and sunlit entryways. Few plants create such an inviting, resort-like environment inside your home. 10. Pothos. Pothos is one of the easiest ways to add flowing greenery throughout your home. Its cascading vines look beautiful, hanging from shelves, bookcases, or ceiling planters. Available in golden, marble, neon, and emerald varieties. There's a color for every decorating style. Pothos thrives in various lighting conditions and forgives mist watering. The long trailing vines soften hard furniture lines and create a cozy atmosphere. Whether climbing a moss pole or spilling gracefully from a hanging basket, Pothos instantly makes any room feel warmer and more inviting. 11. Chinese evergreen. Chinese evergreen offers beautiful foliage with incredible versatility. Many varieties feature stunning silver, pink, red, or cream patterns that brighten darker spaces. It's highly tolerant of lower light, making it ideal for apartments and offices. The colorful leaves provide year-round visual interest without relying on flowers. Chinese evergreen grows slowly and maintains a compact shape, making it suitable for desks, side tables, and shelves. Its elegant foliage pairs wonderfully with contemporary decor while requiring only occasional watering and minimal maintenance. 12. Orchid. Orchids bring unmatched elegance to indoor spaces. Their graceful flowers bloom for weeks or even months, creating an instant sense of luxury. Modern Phalaenopsis orchids are surprisingly easy to grow when provided with bright indirect light and careful watering. Displayed on dining tables, kitchen counters, or bedroom dressers, orchids immediately elevate the room's appearance. Their sculptural stems and colorful blooms complement minimalist, classic, and modern interiors alike. Even after the flowers fade, healthy plants can bloom again with proper care, making orchids a lasting investment in your home's beauty. Now you've seen 12 incredible plants that can completely transform the look and feel of any room. Whether you prefer the dramatic monstera, the elegant orchid, or the nearly indestructible snake plant, each one adds beauty, personality, and freshness to your home. The best part is that you don't need to buy them all. Just one carefully chosen plant can make a remarkable difference. Which of these beautiful plants is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more plant inspiration, care tips, and indoor gardening ideas. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.